Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 1, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and select Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, you need to select while using the app and allow in all of them. So while using, allow, then swipe up and click on Home button. After that, you need to access Settings and go into Apps section. Now scroll down, choose Default Apps and click on Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, you need to click on it and select Got it in this pop-up. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Nothing phone. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, tapping on Apps, Default Apps, Home app and choosing Nothing Launcher, or clicking on iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!